Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 3rd of January, 2024. The benchmark indices traded lower for the second straight day on January 3rd as participants wait for the next trigger to get the momentum going. The Sensex was down 0.7% to 71,356, while the Nifty slipped 0.7% to 21,517. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were Bajaj Auto, Adani Enterprise, IndusInd Bank, ITC and Adani Ports, while losers were Hindalco, JSW Steel, Tata Steel, LTI Mindtree. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of IRCON International jumped over 7% each on January 3rd, after the company's announced management changes earlier this week. IRCON informed stock exchanges on January 1st that on attaining the age of superannuation, Pramod Kumar Singh, Project Director for Patna, and Ravi Sahai, Chief General Manager, Civil, ceased to be senior management personnel of the company. VST Industries share jumped more than 6% to hit a 52-week high of 4,328 rupees in the morning trade on January 3rd, extending the previous day's 20% gains after ace investor Radhakishan Damani bought 2.22 lakh shares in the tobacco company, taking his stake to over 30%. VST Industries has been providing a good dividend yield of 3.6% against 2.7% for ITC, and 2.04% for Godfrey Phillips, data shows. On the ROE front, too, VST Industries gave 32% returns compared with ITC's 25%, and 15% of Godfrey Phillips over 3 years. Shares of Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited gained almost 1% to hit a new 52-week high of 1,304 rupees in the early trade on January 3rd after the company announced the acquisition of an Israel-based firm. Libra Merger Limited is Sun's second buy in Israel after Taro Pharma, which was a high-profile acquisition for the Indian drug maker. Sun said the Libra acquisition would facilitate the consolidation of business in Israel. Shares of Bank of Maharashtra rose 4% in early trade on January 3rd after the public sector bank clocked more than 20% growth in Q3 gross advances. The state-run bank has reported a strong performance for the quarter ended December financial year 2024. As disclosed by the bank in a business update with the exchanges on January 2nd. The total business of the bank has shown a significant 18.92% on-year growth, reaching 4.3 for rupees lakh crore. This growth is attributed to a 17.9% increase in deposits, totaling 2.46 rupees lakh crore, and a 20.3% rise in gross advances, reaching 1.89 rupees lakh crore. Bajaj Auto stock gained over 4.5% on January 3rd to top 7,000 rupees for the first time on news that the Bajaj Auto board will consider share buyback on January 8th. Bajaj Auto said in a regulatory filing that they will consider a proposal to buy back of fully paid-up equity shares of the company and other matters necessary and incidental thereto, in accordance with the applicable provisions of the Companies Act, 2013. Including the rules and regulations framed thereunder, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, Buyback of Securities, Regulations, 2018, as amended, and other applicable laws. Basilic Fly Studio Limited in daily time frame is trading around 378.90 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.086 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 315.28, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 80.41. Bag Films and Media Limited in daily time frame is trading around 13.20 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 10.3 for 8 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 10.09, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 83.86. Chand and Company Limited in daily time frame is trading around 317.85 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 881.982 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 272.94, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.78. For the stock recommendation we have, Shriram Finance Limited looks good and can be bought at 2,091 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 2,045 rupees and a target of 2,150 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.